All right, all right, all right. It is Tuesday morning. And hey, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, because you can't get this shit anywhere else. And if you want to help me build the channel, get more into me, hop on the Patreons, couple of donations, and I'm handing out some live contact and live help. And I don't care if you got $1 or $10,000. Show your support. Hit up the Patreon, and I am accessible. And if you don't see my value in the past month, your ass does not belong in the market. All right, so enough celebrating myself. Here we go. Here is the hammer, right? And we've been calling for this, man. We saw this rise up. I said, I don't believe this move up. We made that double top. I was sweating it, and I'll tell you, breaking this double top, I would have taken that trade to the upside. But I'm looking at this, and I'm saying, okay, this looks, it needs the retrace. And I don't really like this pattern too much, but we hit that 364 that I've been calling for since easily the beginning of the month. And I had hoped that we went right down. I would have liked that pattern better, but here it is. Here's the 364. Now, it's a variable, baby. Because the pattern is not textbook, I'm apprehensive. But I'll tell you, I took some trades anticipating a break of this hammer yesterday. And, first thing in the morning, I'm going to close those bitches out. And then I'm probably going to go have some fun in the sun because I'm going to make fistfuls of cash, and that's fine with me. I'd rather just go enjoy my day than continue trading. Okay, so we tag this out. This is a natural retracement. We're breaking this high. We're leaving a big ass gap, and that's pretty fucking scary. Excuse my French. I know I'm getting a little crude, but hey, it's old age and senility. So we're gonna watch this move up. I mean, I don't like when the market opens up this high because we already got. I mean, the last I looked, we have a 65 point move up. That's pretty intense. Yeah, here it is. Think. So what are we looking at? 66. Yeah, that's intense, man. That's a big move. I mean, we've seen 90-point days, but those are supposed to be an anomaly. It's not supposed to be a trading environment. So we're going to look at that. We're going to look for the overbought. We're going to look for the turnaround. But, right at the open, I'm taking my fucking, whoops, there I go again. I'm taking my profits on this 65-point move. I mean, this is like a gimme. Gimme. So now now we got to look for the move up to break this high. So the next test we got to break that 526. So where are we? We're at 467, 468. If we open right here, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. So we got 2 hours. I mean, this baby could. I mean, we could open up flat. That's what this market's been doing. Oh, I hate when that happens, man, because right now I'm sitting here counting my gold, and then we open up flat, and this fucker could turn around and my trades could be a loss. Such is the bitch. I'm going to try to unload it in the pre-market, but there's no volume on these fucking offshoots. So who knows? Who knows? We shall see. Well, you'll know once the market opens what Davey did. Anyway, there's our hammer. This shows you the value of the Fibonacci. Nothing's ever a guarantee. This is a business of probabilities. You see all this layout? There's probabilities that things are going to work the way they should, and there's an orderly market. And yesterday, that demonstrated an orderly market. I would have rather have opened up flat and enjoyed these 65 points during the trading day, but we shall see. Let's see what the day holds. So anyway, there's not much more I can add to it, Basically, there's rumors out there that Putin's pulling a few guys off of the line and bringing them back, and everybody's talking to him. He's getting attention, and trust me, man, this is going to go back and forth for quite some time. And don't doubt that Putin, other diplomats, other world leaders have their money in the markets and are enjoying what's going on right now. I mean, this is market manipulation on a huge scale, and don't doubt it. Don't doubt it. Everybody says it's about the oil. It's about this. It's that. Those are all byproducts of what he's doing. He's gaining war chests to continue his propaganda. He may even be supporting some of Trump allies. We know Trump has links with Russia. Yet, you know, what wins elections? It takes money to win elections. Yeah, you know, it's just questionable when they say that they'll sanction him, they'll sanction people associated with him. So sanctioning him means that they tie up their cash and they can't get into the market and they can't enjoy all of this good shit that they're doing for themselves. So this is the world. We can only regret that we weren't born into one of these old families that have this world power and get to participate in this sort of activity. And it's just more money and more money and more money. Yeah, but you got to love that it exists. I think I hate it all because I'm not a part of it. But if I was a part of it, yeah, I think my moral compass is slightly askew and I would be participating in it. I'd be like, yeah, Putin. Yeah, Vlad. Go ahead, throw a few more guys on the line. Let's bring that market down so I can get in, which is what I did. I mean, yesterday he made that move. I said, okay, that's going to bring me down to my buy, which was the 364. And actually, I'll tell you, I went off at 390 at the 55 in the event that that was the move, but I kept some money in my pocket, a little buying room. And when we went down to 364, I hopped on in again. And to tell you the truth, I even held out. I've still got some, ammo so that if we take out that 318, I can get in there. So hopefully, this is the beginning of move up. Let's see if we leave that gap behind us and head up and test those tops. All right, that's about it for the day, everybody. Remember, this is cool, and if you're long, you shouldn't be any more happy today than you were yesterday, right? When the market opens, you're calm, you're cool, you're at peace, you make decisions based on probability and good risk management. On that note, good luck trading.